welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. In today's exciting sprouting video, you can tell we have a box here. So in today's exciting sprouting video, I'm doing a plant unboxing. But before anything, I want to give a huge shout out to the JB Nursery company for partnering with us on this video. You have heard of this company several different times on my channel before. They're an amazing company, and so we're back at it again. They sent me a few boxes with plants onto trial this year, and so I'm very excited. And some of them are even brand new this year that it's even not on their website yet. So in this box right here, you might be wondering, what's the plant inside this box? Well, the plant inside this box is their newly introduced Sumerific Spice Hardy hibiscus. This one's called Bleu Brûlée. I'm gonna pop up a photo on how the flower should look like. I absolutely love hardy hibiscus. I was introduced to them this year, and so I'm very happy when they told me they would like to send me it out. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this unboxing. So Ultimate Gardeners, I'm very happy that I'm gonna partner with JB Nursery again. You know that JB Nursery actually owns the Hollywood Hibiscus Company and the Diamond Black Crepe Myrtle Company. And so I'm very honored to have all these three amazing companies working with me. And so I'm very good that I'm gonna have another plant in the garden. So Rebecca is gonna have a new sister. The good thing is that I don't see that the box is beat up, which is good. And so that's one good thing. So I'm gonna open it up. So I was actually in school when this arrived. My mom brought it in the house for me. And so once I got home, I automatically decided to film this video because I'm not leaving these poor babies to dry up. So I'm gonna put this on the floor right here. This is exciting. All right. So it does look like I do need to give water to this baby right here. It looks like a flower is ready to open up, which is exciting. So this plant is from one of the companies that they carry in the JB Nursery, which is the season to season. And so now I'm gonna go downwards because I don't want to pull up the plant. This was actually my favorite Sumerific hibiscus that they had. So I was very fortunate to have them send it to me. So look at that. This exercise, I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at that. Foliage is already showing. I'm twisting and breaking. Here it is. I'm super happy on how it came out. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up any dead leaves or any browning buds, because this possibly during transition there could have been some buds that are forming. You can even see right here there's even a flower starting to form. Like, let me bring up the camera closer. Like right there you can see a flower already forming, which is very exciting. So this bucket, there's literally no soil nowhere. That's very good. So here it is, you guys. Here's the Bleu Brûlée hardy hibiscus. I'm very happy and honored to have this plant with me in my house right now. I will give it a water because it looks like it is a bit wilted, but not that bad. It looks like I'm gonna definitely make more different videos. There's 3 more videos coming up, which is the care guide on it, the planting of it, and updates. So this was the first video, which was unboxing. So once again, a huge shout out to JB Nursery for sending this out for me to trial this year. So let me go ahead and wrap this video up. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. I'm super honored to have yet another hardy hibiscus in my garden. I'm super happy. This is actually my favorite color. I've always wanted to have a blue hibiscus, which the color blue in the hibiscus family is technically like a light lavender. And so I'm very happy to have this one. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching. But also, I wanted to mention that there's going to be about 4 more videos coming out of unboxing with the JB Nursery company. So please stay tuned with that. So love you all, and never forget to grow big ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.